Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to delete a LinkedIn message in 2025. Whether you're a professional networking pro or just starting out, we've all sent a message we wish we could take back. Luckily, LinkedIn makes it simple to clean up your inbox. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on both desktop and mobile, so you can do it no matter where you are. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. If you're on a computer, open your web browser and go to www.linkedin.com, then enter your credentials. On a mobile device, open the LinkedIn app and log in if needed. Once you're in, head over to the messaging section. You can find this by clicking on the envelope icon at the top of the page on desktop, or by tapping the Messages tab in the app. Now, locate the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. Scroll through your chats until you find it, then open the conversation. Here's where it gets straightforward. On desktop, hover over the message you want to remove and look for the three dots that appear next to it. Click those dots and select Delete from the drop-down menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Go ahead and confirm to permanently delete the message. If you're using the mobile app, tap on the conversation, then long press on the specific message. A menu will pop up. Choose Delete and Confirm. Remember, once it's gone for good, so double-check before you proceed. One quick tip. If the message is part of a group chat, the deletion process might be slightly different, but it still follows the same basic steps. Also, keep in mind that the recipient might have already seen it, so act fast. There you have it. That's how you delete a LinkedIn message in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.